What's the meaning of changing room? Changing room. Changing room.
Changing room. Changing room. A changing room typically refers to a private area designated for individuals to change their clothing or try on clothes in a store, gym, or public facility. The purpose of a changing room is to provide privacy and convenience for individuals who need to change their clothing, such as trying on clothes before purchasing or changing into workout gear at a gym. Changing rooms often have mirrors, seating, and hooks or hangers to accommodate personal belongings. Overall, the main aim of a changing room is to facilitate a comfortable and seamless changing experience for users.